Let's start. The toy is in the box. What is the opposite of in? Out. Let's say together. In, out, in, out, in, out. This is the front of the car. What is the opposite of front? Back. Let's say together. Front, back, front, back, front, back. This jeans is loose. What is the opposite of loose? Tight. Let's say together. Loose, tight, loose, tight, loose, tight. This face is smooth. What is the opposite of smooth? Rough. Let's say together. Smooth, rough, smooth, rough, smooth, rough. If you like this video, please subscribe for more fun quizzes. The answer is right. What is the opposite of right? Wrong. Let's say together. Right, wrong, right, wrong, right, wrong. The tap is on. What is the opposite of on? Off. Let's say together. On, off, on, off, on, off. The clothes are dry. What is the opposite of dry? Wet. Let's say together. Dry, wet, dry, wet, dry, wet. The road is wide. What is the opposite of wide? Narrow. Let's say together. Wide, narrow, wide, narrow, wide, narrow. The pillow is soft. What is the opposite of soft? Hard. Let's say together. Soft, hard, soft, hard, soft, hard. The boy is laughing. What is the opposite of laughing? Crying. Let's say together. Laughing, crying, laughing, crying, laughing, crying.